2, 1. I'm live here in Bryant Museum, standing next to a trophy you all might recognize, the Heisman Trophy. Last night, history was made as freshman quarterback Johnny Manziel of Texas A&M took home the hardware. This was the first trophy for the Aggies since 1957. This trophy here was awarded to John David Crow of Texas A&M in 1957. He played for Coach Paul Bear Bryant. Now, 55 years later, Texas A&M is in the SEC. And Johnny football is turning heads. He beat out Colin Klein of Kansas State and Manti Te'o of Notre Dame. Both of these players are seniors and have led their teams to outstanding seasons. But the Heisman voters could not look past Johnny football for a reason. He put 4,600 yards of offense on the board, 345 of those against Alabama in their upset defeat of the top-ranked team. What's more interesting is that the award ceremony was just days after Manziel's 20th birthday. This makes him the second youngest Heisman Trophy winner. The first was the 19-year-old Mark Ingram of Alabama. Reporting for the University of Alabama, I'm Hannah Mills.